Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook if it keeps closing. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta first close the app, okay? If you have it open, just click on this window key and then close everything. Swipe up, swipe up. Same goes to iOS, just double tap on the button right here, okay? And then swipe up. Now, once that's done, go to find the Facebook app, tap and hold. Tap on the information icon. Now go ahead and tap on Force Stop. Okay. I don't know if you have this feature on iOS. So just go ahead and tap on Force Stop and then just click on OK. Once that's done, go ahead and reopen Facebook and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, the Facebook app right here requires a significant amount of working storage to load media. So if your device has less than 1 to 2 gigs of free space, well, background task will automatically crash. So to fix that, all you got to do is just delete unused files, duplicate photos or apps you no longer need. So especially videos. So go ahead over to your videos or gallery app, delete the videos that you don't need, okay, or photos, as well as applications or games that you don't need as well. And then once those are deleted, go ahead and open up Facebook and it should work perfectly fine now. Now, if all else fails, go ahead over to settings right here. For both Android and iOS, just find update, okay? Click on updates. Now, all you got to do is just update your system. As you can see here, mine is already updated. All right, if it still won't work, make sure that you go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store and then update the Facebook app. All right. And that is how you fix Facebook if it keeps closing. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.